Okay, real quick, I want to discuss what just happened a minute ago. I got an email, i.e., from a so-called recruiter. So let's kind of take a look at this. So I got this email right here, and it tells me, thank you for your interest in employment with Voyager Labs. After reviewing your profile, it starts out like it's going to be a rejection letter, right? Then it tells me we're currently hiring for these positions right here, and this is what we're paying: basically $31 an hour for training, and then $49 an hour for full-time employment. Says I've been assigned to this man right here, Mr. Jim Jassy, one of the hiring managers, and they want you to click this link right here, okay, to set up this meeting. Well, I was born at night, but not last night, so I'm not dumb. First thing I did is I went and looked up, right, Voyager Labs in their email format. But notice their email format right here. Company domain at domain492@gmail. Right? That's not even legit to begin with. So I did respond. I basically was like, nice try, right? I'm like, you're too lazy to even spoof the correct email format. So please be careful, right? This is not a job I applied to or anything like that. So it is a type of phishing email, without a doubt. And they're trying to use social engineering in order to get there. And actually, so it is an actual Teams link. I just hovered over it in my email, so that is the actual Teams link, but I don't know where in the world it's going to take you. And somehow I just don't trust it. Okay? Without any doubt, I don't trust it. Because first off, the domain is wrong. And I went and checked, and Voyager Labs does not currently have any open positions to begin with. So guys, be diligent, be careful. They're definitely, right, they're definitely out there trying to, hook people, trying to scam them. I've seen a couple different ones lately. One is like the type of honeypot scam where they start sending you pictures of the so-called, woman who's trying to hire you, and they try to get really close and personal. Don't bite on that one either, right? And the last one, right, was basically, we'll pay you through either, direct deposit or, wire transfer and that type of thing, or even check, and all of it's fraudulent, right? Don't be dumb enough to actually, now I know, right, you get hired for a lot of companies, it's direct deposit, but know who you're talking to, right? Know before you start giving somebody your routing number and bank account number that is you're actually talking to a legitimate company, okay? So just be careful about what's going on out there. All right, peace out.